chicken.
Mother, this
Ginger.
ginger, celery,
No, that's mint.
mint,
Garlic.
garlic, banana.
Can I go put a shirt on?
Okay, I got a shirt on. Wow. Oh, let me take my shoes off. Garlic. Ooh, good soccer t-shirt. I got a t-shirt. Can I make some juice? Now you need to open it. Mom, we want to make juice. Banana juice, orange juice, garlic juice.
Garlic juice? That sounds nasty. Okay.
Baby, try
So
it.
let's start with the green juice first. What we putting in this? What color we doing today?
Green.
Green?
Yes.
What greens do we have?
Cucumbers,
Mint,
mint, cucumbers, celery, cucumbers, garlic.
ginger. That's garlic. Good job though.
Ginger, garlic.
Good job, mama. We're gonna throw a banana in there too and some broccoli.
Yeah.
You ready? Okay. Let's get it going, play girl.
Oh, it's a celery.
Eat your celery, girl. Oh Lord, don't you like that?
I'm so hungry.
Girl, you was not so hungry.
Yes, I am.
You just trying. Think you watch TV. So you want to be a social media influencer? Cause you good at faking it. Okay.
Okay.
Y'all saw the other video. She ain't about to eat no celery. But okay, we're gonna do green, just green juice this time. Should we put a lemon in it?
Yes.
Yes. Well, that's the grapefruit. We're gonna do just the grapefruit by the grapefruit on a different day. Go ahead and start putting in that dang green.
Cucumber.
Oh, we still got carrots.
Nothing. Celery on it.
Isn't that on? Let's call your dad. Because it's not working.
I'm going to call my dad on my phone.
Okay.
Daddy, get this color. That's my phone.
And while you call him, I'm gonna cut up a few things. Cut up some lemon, and I'm gonna cut up the ginger. This is this lemon is old. This one I'm talking about. When you get this stuff in these stores, you just don't be. Oh, about to fall. Let me see. Watch out, cause I I got a knife on. Okay, this one's better. This is a better one.
Huh?
So what were you trying to figure out? Oh, how to turn this on. Is it plugged up?
But I'm not calling you.
We'll probably gotta wait till we get home.
I will put this down.
That's on.
Lemon tastes good.
Lemon is the best.
Lemon is the best.
You said celery is the best?
Yes.
You acting for tea? Let's get the ginger going. So when you get here, all we gotta do is ginger.
Like green lemon.
Just a lime. Lemon.
I like green.
Lemon.
I like green.
Girl, you ate these the whole time we was in Colombia.
Yeah, it's green. Like
You and your fingers next to everything.
cheers. May make a joke.
No, he said that we're supposed to do something. We got it on lock. I guess we're supposed to unlock.
Look around.
So this here, lock. Something or something like that.
You need to do something. You need to open up. And this.
No, last time. Maybe got a code.
You want more minutes? More minutes? I'm ready. And go! I'm not ready. Ah! brother wash my mom's hair today.
Yay. What are you gonna wash my hair with, Chloe?
Shampoo.
That's shampoo
Shampoo.
and conditioner. And what do you need to wash hair?
Cold.
Woo! And a towel. Okay?
What my
So get the water started. How you gonna do the water?
hot and cold.
Be careful, don't burn yourself. Okay, test the water. With a finger, test it.
It's warm.
Okay, you ready?
Yes, I like.
Okay, so
We with the hair.
first you wash with the head. When do you need to move over there? Ready? Ooh, it's cold. That's cold.
It's hot. Like that. It's hot.
Let me see. Okay, go ahead. I'll hold it. You bring it. Wet my hair with your fingers. So now you do shampoo.
Shampoo. Give me shampoo. 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 Here's shampoo. Say what you shampoo.
Put it in your hand. Put the shampoo in your hand.
On my hair.
In your hand.
On my hand. Right?
That'll be the shampoo. No, that's not shampoo. That's conditioner. Okay. I'm putting some shampoo, see? Shampoo. In my hand.
Ah!
Lift your hand.
It's the hand.
You ain't doing no work. You made me not wash my hair in the bathroom because you wanted to wash my hair. But you ain't doing nothing. Rico. Okay, y'all, we're getting off the video because Chloe made me, she said she wanted to help me. She's not helping me. That's why I'm doing my hair in here. Or else I would have gotten a shower and did it. So, with that being said, it was a pleasure, y'all. We getting off of here. Go ahead and raise your hands, Chloe. I'm going to do my hair how I usually do it because my back hurt doing it like this. Wrong way. Okay, call somebody else. He's busy. He probably at work, but he's asleep. berry on for you, girl. Some
Okay.
berry. But you gotta give me a comb. I'm gonna take your hair down.
Nah.
Girl, get some